The Kinvaro D flap system paired with the Tiomos flap hinge is an innovative revival to the classic fold-down wall cabinet. With contemporary design in mind, you achieve clean lines and easy access to the cabinet interior. The integrated damper allows for a soft close and a gentle opening. The Kinvaro D and the Tiomos flap hinge is the perfect combination for fold-down cabinets that ensure the door flap is flush with the base panel every time. Let's explore more. The Kinvaro D offers height, side-to-side, and depth adjustment, and the Kinvaro can handle large overlays up to 3/4 of an inch. It has an integrated soft close that provides a gentle opening, resting at a flush 90 degrees. The Kinvaro D flap system is easy to install. It works both horizontally and vertically. You can adjust both the opening angle and the opening speed. The Kinvaro D can handle flap weights up to 22 pounds, and it can be used with shallow cabinets. Offered in white, night, and smoke finishes, the Kinvaro D paired with the Tiomos flap hinge is a perfect solution for classic fold-down wall cabinets. Thank you for watching.